Welcome to episode 9 of Simplified Trading Strategies from Market Secrets. In this episode, we are going to learn about breakaway or breakout gap trading pattern. What is a gap? A gap occurs when price skip between two trading periods, skipping over certain prices. A gap creates a void on a price chart. Price gaps are simply areas on the chart where no trading has taken place. So first off, why do prices gap up or gap down? Gaps are the greatest imbalance between demand and supply. Prices gap up because of aggressiveness of the buyers. I mean, there are more buy orders at the open than the supply available at the prior day's closing price. Also, the price gap down because of the aggressiveness of the sellers. In this case, there are more sell orders at the open than the demand at the prior day's closing price. Therefore, gaps are almost and always at the price levels where there is a supply and demand imbalance at the open. Do you remember the word imbalance? This is what we use in every single session of price action trading. The gaps also occur due to the overnight sentiment of that particular stock or in general any big news. And lastly, gaps are created when smart money tries to skip important support and resistance levels. That is, if they are bullish, they gap up the price above the supply zone. The plan here is to trap the sellers. Moving on, what is gap fill? A gap fill refers to the price retracement after the gap to close the level where the origin of the gap occurs. Once the gaps are filled by the price tends to reverse the direction and continue its way in the direction of the gap. Example, if price gaps up, it may retrace after a while to fill the gap, and once the gap is filled, the price will bounce back and continue its prior uptrend. So let's see the breakaway or breakout gap trading strategy with an example. This is the breakaway or breakout gap trading setup. The breakaway or breakout gap trading means breaking the important support or resistance line or a significant trend in the form of gap. This generally happens after a significant price buildup or price consolidation near the support or resistance zone on a previous day. So if you look at here, there is a price consolidation on the previous day. So there are three major parts which forms this pattern. Number one is price consolidation. The market consolidates on the previous day, forming tight candles throughout the last hour of the previous day. This consolidation happens near a major support or resistance area. Now the second part is price should gap up and should rally a bit. So if you look at here, the price gapped up on the next day above the consolidated zone or above our resistance area and continue to rally from there. So what this has smartly done is it has flipped our resistance zone into a support zone. So now we can call this particular zone as a flip zone because it has flipped from resistance zone into a support zone. Now the third part of this pattern is the pullback. After a brief rally, the price started dropping downwards and it started dropping towards the flip zone. That is the previous resistance zone which has now turned into the support zone. So this consolidation, gap up and rally followed by pullback forms the breakaway or breakout gap trading setup. There are few things that you need to remember why the breakaway gap occur. The smart money knows exactly where these resistance areas are. If the smart money is bullish and higher prices are anticipated, the smart money will certainly want a rally. The problem now is how to avoid the old resistance. Gapping up through an old area of supply as quickly as possible is an old and trusted method, a way to avoid the resistance. So once the price gaps up above the resistance, we now have a clear sign of strength. Smart money does not want to buy the stock at the high prices either. They are already bought their mailed holdings at the lower levels. Smart money knows that the breakout above the old trading resistance zone will create a new way of buyers. Why? Many traders who have shorted the market will now be forced to cover their positions by buying as well. And secondly, many traders are looking for breakouts to buy as well. And lastly, all those traders who are not in the market may feel they are missing out and will be encouraged to start buying. So when the price drops down and if it hits the flip zone, you can see that the prices have been moved up very quickly by the smart money, whose opinion of the market at the moment is very bullish. We can easily know this by tracking the volume. There'll be a huge increase in the volume when the price hits the flip zone. And if the volumes are rising, then it cannot be a trap move because the high volumes will always be in the support of the move. So when it comes to the volume, as I always say, volume is the most important thing that you need to check for in any technical trading pattern. This is applicable for gaps as well. So you can take a double confirmation when the price hits the flip zone and moves up with huge volume. And when it comes to the entry target and stop loss, you can enter into the trade once the price pulls back to the flip zone. So this would be your entry. And your target for this strategy is simple. Use the previous high made as the target and 2x of it as the target too. So this is the previous high made and this formed a zone as well. So your target should be slightly below this particular zone. And you can take 2x of this particular target as your target too. You can book some of it here and book the remaining at the 2x of this target. And when it comes to the stop loss, once the price gaps up above the flip zone, this flip zone will become your immediate support. And you can keep the low of the flip zone as your stop loss. So this is the low of my flip zone. So I'm keeping my stop loss slightly below it. So this is how you should be trading the breakout or breakaway gap trading pattern. If you have any queries on this particular setup, let us know in the comment section. We'll be happy to answer it. Hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.